So, damn. I got... Oh, man. I got the resonators. Boom. I think I made a short on it or a TikTok, one of the two. And basically I need to get rid of this cabin noise. If y'all seen the last vid, I straight pipe and that was crazy. Definitely do not do that. It's fun, but like the cabin noise is crazy. So right now I'm at USPS. Ooh, shoot. Let me shoot. Gonna put that back in the box. We're at USPS. I'm about to pack some up and then deliver this. And then I'm gonna ride past the shop. And I'm gonna see what they say. It should be 120 for both sides. I got some cash on me. And it should be 120, 60 for each side, so 120 in total, which is not bad at all. And I paid what, like 178 for both of the resonators. So yeah, let me pack this up and I'm gonna get back to y'all. More hoods on the way, y'all. I took my Hellcat hood off to sell, but I'm gonna restock. I kind of used it for marketing too, not gonna lie. But happen to be, I gotta get rid of this. And my radio is messed up. I don't know if y'all seen that, but I got a whole amplifier just so I can play music. Ooh, I just popped my hood. I did not mean to do that. Let me pop the trunk. Hold on. Hellcat hood coming back. Trust. My trunk might be dirty. Alright, chill. Boom. Amplifier right there. Why is the water bottle back in? But yeah, just so I can play music. And I still gotta get the radio fixed. So yeah. Okay. Let's see what Smitty's. Dang, I just gave up my who I go to, but let's see if they want to work today, because sometimes they be on some, but they got the best prices too, I ain't gonna lie. And they close at 5. It's like 2 right now. Let me get over there. Hold on. Here we go. X-pipe. Straight out the back. Alright, chat. I got them put on. I think I can hear the difference a little bit. Like, I can still hear the exhaust, but it's not ringing my ears. Normally I can feel my ears ringing, but I'm also really not going fast. So let's pick it up right here. Sounds a little bit chiller. I'm not gonna lie, like way chill. Let me roll these windows up. Alright, when I turn left up here, I'm gonna let it rip. See if that changed. Alright. I'm gonna just gas it up here. It's like, it's still there, but it ain't as loud. It ain't doing all that farting like it used to. I can still hear it, but I don't hear no drone. Alright, I'm finna get on the highway. This is where it really matters. The highway. This is the whole reason I'm doing this. Because when I be going for them hour-long drives, and I'm on the highway, yeah, that junk be killing me, bro. Like, when I first got that first straight pipe, the inside of my car was shaking. I was about to say my insides was shaking. Like, the insides of my car, like, just be rattling, shaking. I was like, nah, I gotta get rid of this. It was fun though, don't get me wrong. Like, I was coming trimmed through the wherever, but I just couldn't do it, bro. I'm still trying to get on the highway. I'm in the middle of, who knows what the fuck is that? So I'm gonna get up here. When I turn left up here, I should be able to get on the toll road, and I'm gonna just hit 70 and just cruise right off. Alright, we get here. This is where it really matters. I do hear some drone noise right now, but that's expected. It's still a straight pipe. Like, you can still see straight through the little muffler I put on, but it's supposed to take away noise. Come on, bro. Way quieter. Okay, now let me just cruise. I got all my windows set. It's a little windy outside though. It's gone. The noise I was hearing before is gone. And that's all I wanted, so we good, y'all. That means this project was a success. So should I leave a link? I'll show y'all where I got it from, if any of y'all is having this problem that I just had. But that highway cruise join noise, and it would like sound like air went out and in. I don't really know how to explain it, but like if you know, you know. I'll figure it out. I'll probably go to my email and then put where I got it from in the bottom. But alright, I just started my car without I just cold started it without showing y'all. How can I not get my plate? That's basically what it sounds like now. It's like that. And they couldn't fit right there. So I had to get them put right there. Because they couldn't fit right there. Like I said, it still works just as good. But as long as you got something, you'll be straight.